Welcome to my channel World Scene News. Subscribe to my channel for news updates all around the world. In the heart of Bangladesh, a colossal structure now stretches across the horizon, defying a river once thought untamable. This is the Padma Multipurpose Bridge. More than a crossing, it's a symbol of a nation's determination. For decades, the Padma River isolated the southwest, stifling growth and opportunity. When global funders withdrew, Bangladesh chose to build the bridge alone, transforming it into a statement of sovereignty and resilience. The bridge's 4-lane motorway and railway line now unite the country, revolutionizing trade and transport. The Padma Bridge stands as a proud testament to Bangladesh's ability to turn dreams into reality. The Padma River, with its fierce, unpredictable currents and immense width, has long been a formidable natural barrier in Bangladesh. For centuries, it separated communities, hindered trade, and challenged the dreams of connecting the nation more closely. The river's power is legendary. Its waters surge with relentless force, especially during the monsoon, making any attempt to build across it a daunting prospect. The constantly shifting sands and unstable riverbanks only added to the complexity, creating an ever-changing landscape that engineers had to battle against. Each year, the river would carve new channels and erode its banks, threatening to undermine any structure built in its path. This made the task of constructing a permanent bridge seem almost impossible. To overcome these immense challenges, engineers from around the world collaborated to design a bridge that could not only withstand the Padma's relentless erosion, but also survive powerful earthquakes. They incorporated state-of-the-art friction pendulum bearings, a cutting-edge technology that allows the bridge to move safely during seismic events, ensuring the structure's stability even in the face of nature's fury. Massive river training works were undertaken on an unprecedented scale. Millions of concrete blocks and geotextile bags were carefully placed along the riverbanks to protect the bridge's foundations from erosion. These efforts reshaped the river's flow, stabilizing the banks and creating a secure base for the colossal structure above. The construction process itself was a marvel of modern engineering. Each of the 41 steel spans, weighing over 3,000 tons, was meticulously assembled and then lifted into place by one of the world's largest floating cranes. This required precise coordination and innovative techniques, as the team worked against strong winds and unpredictable weather. The result is a bridge that can withstand a magnitude 9.0 earthquake, a world first for a structure of this scale. Advanced engineering solutions, such as deep pile foundations and seismic isolation systems, ensure the bridge's resilience, setting new global standards for safety and durability. Every step of the project, from managing the turbulent waters to installing high-tech bearings beneath the deck, pushed the boundaries of civil engineering. The team faced countless obstacles, from unpredictable floods to logistical challenges, but their determination never wavered. Today, the completed Padma Bridge stands as a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and technical mastery, a shining example of what can be achieved when vision meets innovation. The greatest challenge lay beneath the river, a soft, unstable bed of sand and silt. Engineers drove steel piles up to 122 meters deep, the deepest bridge foundations in history, to anchor the structure. Each pile, 3 meters wide, was hammered into the ground with powerful hydraulic drivers, overcoming unpredictable soil conditions. This deep piling counters both the river's force and the risk of soil liquefaction during earthquakes. In total, 264 piles support the bridge's 42 piers, setting new global benchmarks in geotechnical engineering. The success of these foundations is a triumph of science and determination. The Padma Bridge's strength begins where most would have given up, deep beneath the river's surface. The Padma Bridge was once envisioned as a crowning achievement for Bangladesh, a vital link to connect millions and unlock the nation's economic potential. Initially, the plan was to rely on international loans and the support of global financial institutions to bring this ambitious project to life. But in 2012, the World Bank abruptly withdrew its promised funding, citing unproven allegations of corruption. The news sent shockwaves through the country and the international community, casting a shadow over the future of the bridge. Other major lenders quickly followed suit, pulling out their support and leaving the project in limbo. construction ground to a halt, and the hopes of millions seemed to fade. The nation's morale was shaken, and many wondered if the dream of the Padma Bridge would ever be realized. Yet, in the face of adversity, the spirit of Bangladesh refused to be broken. Instead of abandoning the dream, leaders and citizens alike began to ask a bold question: could the country build the bridge on its own? In a move that stunned the world, Bangladesh's government made a historic decision to self-finance the entire multi-billion-dollar project. This was not just a financial commitment, but a declaration of faith in the nation's own abilities and resources. Critics, both at home and abroad, doubted the country's capacity to take on such a massive undertaking. Many experts warned of financial risks and technical challenges, questioning whether Bangladesh was ready for such responsibility. But the government stood firm, framing the decision as a matter of national dignity and autonomy. It was about more than just a bridge. It was about proving to the world, and to themselves, that Bangladesh could chart its own destiny. Every taka spent became an investment in pride, self-reliance, and the future of the nation. Ordinary citizens contributed in spirit, and sometimes in cash, feeling a personal stake in the bridge's success. The decision galvanized the nation, uniting people from all walks of life. The Padma Bridge became more than an infrastructure project. It became a rallying point for national unity and hope. As construction resumed, the bridge transformed into a powerful symbol of economic confidence and sovereignty, inspiring pride across the country. Years of steady economic growth and careful fiscal management had made this bold step possible. Bangladesh was ready to take control of its own future. By building the bridge alone, Bangladesh demonstrated resilience, determination, and a willingness to defy expectations. In doing so, Bangladesh rewrote its own narrative, one of independence, ambition, and the unbreakable will of its people. When the first span was hoisted into place, a wave of pride swept across Bangladesh. The bridge became a personal symbol for millions, a victory over nature and doubt. The slogan, "Amra Parbo, we can do it," echoed nationwide, uniting people from all walks of life. Self-financing meant every citizen was a stakeholder, fueling a sense of ownership and unity. The bridge's completion silenced critics and offered a new empowering story for a nation long defined by struggle. It stands as proof of a rising Bangladesh, capable of world-class achievements. The Padma Bridge is now a monument to the spirit and pride of 170 million people. For generations, the mighty Padma River stood as a formidable barrier, cutting off over 30 million people in the southwest from the rest of Bangladesh. Life on either side of the river moved at a different pace, with families, businesses, and entire communities often feeling isolated and left behind. Crossing the Padma meant long, uncertain journeys by ferry or boat, sometimes taking hours or even days, especially during the monsoon season when the river swelled and travel became even more perilous. The opening of the Padma Bridge has changed everything. Now, what once took hours or days can be accomplished in mere minutes. The bridge has become a lifeline, slashing travel times and making it possible for people to move freely and efficiently. This new connectivity has unleashed a wave of economic activity as goods, services, and people flow across the region like never before. Farmers and fishermen, who once struggled to get their products to market before they spoiled, can now reach buyers quickly and reliably. This has boosted incomes, created new opportunities, and allowed local businesses to thrive. Markets are busier, and the region's agricultural and fishing industries are experiencing a renaissance. The impact goes beyond agriculture. New factories and businesses are springing up across the southwest, drawn by improved access and infrastructure. Thousands of new jobs are being created, and the region's GDP is rising as investment pours in. Business parks and industrial zones are transforming once quiet areas into bustling centers of commerce. Economists project that the Padma Bridge will boost national GDP by over 1.2% every year, with the Southwest benefiting even more. The bridge is not just a local project, it's a driver of national growth, helping to lift millions out of poverty and create a brighter future for all. The Padma Bridge is also a vital link in the Asian highway network, connecting Bangladesh to India, Nepal, and Bhutan. This strategic position is opening up new trade routes, strengthening regional ties, and positioning Bangladesh as a key player in South Asian commerce. Today, the Padma Bridge is weaving a new, prosperous economic fabric for the country and the entire region. It stands as a symbol of hope, progress, and unity, bringing people together and driving Bangladesh toward a more connected and prosperous future. The Padma Bridge is not just a crossing, it's a catalyst for transformation, inspiring dreams and opening doors for generations to come. The Padma Bridge is the centerpiece of Bangladesh's rapid economic transformation. Sustained growth, a booming garment industry, and strong remittances have lifted millions out of poverty. The bridge's completion boosts investor confidence, signaling that Bangladesh can deliver on complex projects. It's a magnet for foreign investment, helping drive the next phase of industrialization. The bridge is a critical enabler of Bangladesh's vision to become an upper-middle-income country by 2031. By improving logistics and integrating markets, it lays the groundwork for sustained growth and diversification. The Padma Bridge is a springboard for Bangladesh's continued ascent. The Padma Bridge leads a wave of mega projects transforming Bangladesh. The Dhaka Metro Rail and elevated expressway are easing congestion in the capital. The Karnafuli Tunnel near Chattogram and the Rupur nuclear power plant are reshaping connectivity and energy. Deep-sea ports and special economic zones are attracting investment and diversifying the economy. These projects form an integrated system, boosting efficiency and quality of life. They are the physical manifestation of Vision 2041, a plan to make Bangladesh a developed nation. The era of mega projects is here, with the Padma Bridge at its heart. Is the Padma Bridge an engineering miracle or a strategic masterstroke? It's both. Building across one of the world's toughest rivers required unprecedented technical innovation, but the real turning point was Bangladesh's decision to self-finance, a bold assertion of sovereignty. The bridge is now a symbol of national pride and a tool of soft power, reshaping the country's global image. It's a cornerstone of Vision 2041, projecting confidence and ambition. The miracle of engineering and the masterstroke of strategy are inseparable. The bridge's true significance lies in this fusion of technical prowess and national resolve. The Padma Bridge stands as a testament to the day Bangladesh dared to build its own dream.